For this quick cake, we will need 2 large eggs and 3 very ripe medium bananas, about 4.5 ounces each. Make sure they are very ripe because there will be no sugar or a sweetener to make the cake sweet. These videos that I share with you here are just a small part of a successful weight loss journey. I wasted decades of my life trying to figure out what works. But with proper knowledge, right from the start, you can save lots of time. If you need personalized help to kickstart your weight loss journey, you must check out Blue Jay RX. Their 90-day program is so easy to understand and focuses on whole foods nutrition with personal coaching. I absolutely align with their approach to health and weight loss. They have great coaches and you can talk to them one-on-one before you get even started. Go to bluejrx.com and schedule your free consultation today. Their appointment scheduling tool is super convenient and easy to use. And if you tell your coach that I sent you, you'll get 20% of the entire program. Again, that's bluejrx.com. I added a link in the description. Please check it out. Blend the eggs and banana together in a blender. 1.5 cup, that's 120 grams of old-fashioned oats. Add the bananas and eggs to the oats and stir. Let it rest for about 30 minutes or so for the oats to soften a bit and soak up the liquid. Three ounces of non-fat Greek yogurt. Mix it in. You can see how much thicker the oats get after that soaking. For the dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can add a pinch of salt to tie all the flavors together. Mix all ingredients. And here is another way to sweeten the cake. 1.5 ounce, about 45 grams of chocolate chips. Stir them in. You can skip the chocolate if you want to reduce the calories, but if you like to make the cake more flavorful and a bit sweeter, this is a good way to do it. Another way would be adding some dried fruit. I have here 8 by 8 glass baking dish lined with parchment paper. Add the batter to the pan. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. You can enjoy it now, nice and warm, or wait until it cools down and make it even more exciting by adding another ounce of melted chocolate. When using a microwave, make sure you melt the chocolate for 15-20 seconds at a time. Stir, and if you need a bit more time, add another 15 seconds. Smear the chocolate all over. And for some crunch, I add some nuts. I added just about an ounce, not much. All the extras get calorie heavy, so choose what you add wisely. Or just enjoy it. It was so good. The basic cake without the toppings, just with the chocolate chips inside, has about 136 calories and 5 grams of protein per serving, with 9 servings per the whole cake. Check out my other recipes with oats here, and that's where I'm going to see you next.